So welcome to all of you in video based IT training. In this video I am going to explain how to reset the window password without any third party software. So please don't use this process for any malicious activity to get an unauthorized access to any computer or any server. So there are many methods to reset window password. First, by using third party softwares, and second, without any third party software. But it is never recommended to use any third-party software to reset the window passwords, because the third-party software is always a malware attack on the same database of the window, which can be harmful and can compromise your system security in the future. There are many methods to reset the window password without any third-party software. So today I will tell you how window password can be reset without any third-party software. There are many methods to do that. In this video, I will explain you how window password can be reset using normal window bootable installation CD. And in next two video, I will explain you how window password can be reset even without bootable and installation CD. So like we are in this machine, we don't know about the password, how to log in into this machine. So we have no way to crack the password or to reset the password. Only two icon. One is the utility manager we can use, or the shutdown icon. We can have two icon only, utility manager and shutdown. So just restart the machine. Only the requirement that your system should have. You should have your bootable installation media. So very first go to BIOS and change bootable. System should be boot with bootable CD. Save it and exit. Yes, let's just wait. Windows loading the file. So wait till we get the first prompt to install the window. It will take some time, just wait. Okay, so we got this screen. It's asking about the installation language and time format and everything. Rather than doing the next, here we need to press Shift plus F10 key. So here we need to press Shift plus F10 key. F10. Okay, so just press Shift plus F10. We will got this command prompt. So verify in which particular partition we have already installed the window. We can run the command disk part. This command is only for the verification purpose, to get it know in which particular partition we have already installed the window to which we want to crack the reset the password. Just wait. Okay, so we get the disk part prompt. Here we run the command list volume. So it will showing us that in drive C window is already installed, or exit from here, just go to C drive. We can verify that dir. Oh god, we have the window folder here. Now go to CD Windows, then CD System 32 folder where this particular file resides. Now we need to run the command copy cmd.exe with any other name, just to take the backup of this particular folder or just to have a copy of this particular file. Second, copy utilman.exe file with any other name like utilman1 dot utilman backup.exe. Done. Third step, just del utilman.exe file and then rename cmd1.exe with utilman.exe. Done. So perhaps you get the main process what I have did. I just take the backup of cmd file, take the backup of utilman file, delete original utility manager file and just rename command prompt file with the utility manager. Everything has been done. Just close everything and let the restart system. Let it go into the normal bootable boot process. Just wait the system restart in the normal mode. Yeah, got it. Still at the same prompt, but as you remember, we have replaced this utility manager with the command prompt. So now if we click on this utility manager icon, so rather than getting utility manager, we are getting the command prompt here. Good. So now here we can run the command control user passwords to reset any password. Yes, we can do that. Administrator password, we can reset the password. You can give any password whatever you want to give now, and we can do anything. But only the problem with this command control user passwords, you will get only enable account, not only disable account. Right now we are getting the administrator option, but by default in all the windows 7, windows 8, administrator account is by default disabled. So we can use some another method. One is the lusr mgr.msc command. Very good. So in this scenario, like this Ajay account is disabled, so we can enable this account. We can set any password here also. Done. And even we can create new user also, like xyz. We can set any password for that. So we can do anything whatever we want to do. Now close it and we can use this password. Very good. Now we are ready to log in and can do anything whatever we want to do in the system. We can reset the password, but lastly what we have to do, go to C, Windows, System 32, go to utilman. Actually if you see, this is that particular command prompt file that we have renamed. So delete this particular file and rename this file to original name, that was the utilman. Done. So everything is done now. If we log off, we can use new password and same utility manager will still working properly. Like you can see we have all the users also and utility manager is working perfectly. So hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much.